If you're having trouble with your iPhone's cellular service or network, you're not alone. This kind of issue can pop up for several reasons, like weak network coverage, software glitches, or incorrect settings. But don't worry, this guide is here to help you get your iPhone cellular connections back on track. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Enable 4G or 5G from voice and data settings. Start by opening settings on your iPhone. Tap on cellular or mobile service. Then tap on mobile data options. After that, tap on voice and data. Select 4G or 5G on to prioritize both voice and data. Now restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Solution 2. Reinsert your SIM card. Sometimes simply taking out and reinserting your SIM card can help with network issues. Here's how to do it. Power off your iPhone first. Now, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to carefully eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, and then reinsert it into the tray. After that, power your iPhone back on and check if the connectivity issue is resolved. Solution 3. Check your carrier and update settings. Updating your carrier settings can help fix network issues. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then tap on About. If there is an update available, you'll see a prompt to update your carrier settings. If nothing pops up, simply go back to General and then tap on Software Update. If you see a new software update available, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest version. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can be a great way to resolve persistent connectivity issues. Start by opening settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them handy. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve cellular service and network issues on your iPhone. Let me know if any of these solutions worked for you or if you have any more questions. I'm here to help.